My name is Michelle Baker. I take the three-dimensional scan of the patient. We send it over to our computer where we'll edit it, and then we send it to the printer. We use an alcohol base that we clean the model with, and then it goes into a curing oven. We bring it over to our Essex maker, and we can form our retainer and then trim, and then it's ready to go into the patient's mouth. We have an excellent rate of it fitting the patient. We actually haven't had a single problem with one of them fitting. Occasionally we'll order out other retainers from other labs and they'll have used a different printer. The models are not quite as accurate as the models that we make here with the EnvisionTEC. So we're very impressed with the accuracy on this fantastic machine.